there's also ways for you to start generating or making money without having to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. So, very early in the life of your YouTube channel, you can definitely do this. The first one being affiliate marketing. I'm sure you have seen this. Essentially, Amazon, for example, is one company that does this. It can give you affiliate links, and you can be recording a video of something that you bought, and hey, this is my Totodile. I got it from Amazon, and just call it out on your video and say, hey, I have my affiliate link. And it is required for you to disclose that you're getting commission out of it. So it is part of the contracts. It's very important for you to just read the very small print. But it is like, hey, use my affiliate link, I get a commission, you support my channel, and you get the product that you liked. That's the way that you can start earning commissions. But it really depends on which kind of affiliate marketing you have, because some of them have like a very high commission rate. Don't go for those, because you need to get a lot of sales in order for you to at least get $100. So just make sure that you go for the ones that give you a little bit higher. But most of the affiliate marketing will give you 10%. And I think that's the standard. So if you can get 20 or 25% on affiliate marketing, that's great. That's actually a win. This is something that I think that the second one that I want to talk about, and a lot of people don't really think about this, is that you can go to knock doors on local brands. But only, the caveat here is that you really have the audience for that, okay? If you go to your statistics and you see that you have a lot of people from Toronto, then definitely you can go and knock doors and say, hey, local brand, I have a YouTube channel with not a lot of audience, but let's say 300 subscribers, but I get 1,000 views. And from all of those 1,000 views, 40% of them, they're actually for Toronto. So is there something that we can work with? And you can definitely do this. You can get brand deals from local brands. So you can probably insert like a little shout out on your videos. And it could be anything that you think your audience might like, right? So probably what you're wearing, or, if you did your hair or whatever, or if you're a makeup channel, for example, you can definitely go to local brands and probably do make a deal with them too. The next one will be only if you are a small business, you can sell your products, okay? In my example, I'm a gaming channel, so I don't really have products. The only products that I have are my own merch, and we already talk about that. So it's not really like my products. Or you can sell your services, right? If you are focusing on products and services, like if you're selling, digital goods like ebooks, for example, or you can offer consultant services. Let's say that you are, I don't know, a tax advisor or something. You can probably upscale and say, hey, I can do this for free, but if you need help with this, then, there are my consultant services out there. So you can sell your products. And it doesn't really matter how many subscribers you have, because if you make a good video and people are like, oh, I found a lot of amazing things from this particular creator, and guess what? He even offers consulting services, then most likely you're going to be willing to pay that person, because you know that person has expertise. And that's the way for you to start monetizing, because it's a funnel. It's essentially a funnel. You get, let's say, 1,000 views, but from those 1,000 views, 10 of them are interested on your consultant services. And then from those 10, 5 of them actually purchased or buys your consultant services. Then you're making money from YouTube, right? You also have crowdfunding and support. There are platforms out there that you can set up. Patreon, Coffee are some of them, which essentially you can just tell people, hey, if you want to support me, I'm not part of the YouTube Partner Program there, but you can do that on Patreon, or you can do that on Coffee. They're separate platforms. They do take a percentage of your money, so just make sure that you go for the one that it's more suitable for you. But they do take a percentage of that money that you get, right? But it is possible. And the last one will be freelancing and consulting. It's very similar to the one that I just mentioned about the services, but I think this applies more like, let's say, artists. Artists do commissions, right? They charge for making, the drawing that you like. So probably if you're an art, or if you're an art channel or an illustrator, you can definitely do that call out on your videos. Probably make a video about you drawing something and say, hey, commissions are open. If you're interested, shoot me an email, or, fill up this form, whatever. You can definitely do that. Or let's say if you're a web designer, and you do actually freelance. So you can probably record a progress of a a landing page that you're designing for one of your clients. Of course, if they do permit, because some clients they have NDAs, they don't want you to be sharing that. But if you have that, then you can do the call out and say, hey, I also I'm currently taking contract services and freelances, so, or I'm a freelancer, so if you're interested on my services, then send me a message. So those are the kind of ways that you can monetize before you join the YouTube Partner Program.